Hi, my name is Peter Papageorgiou. I will read to you from the book of Aristotle, the book Physics, from 1 to 4. In all sciences that are concerned with principles or causes or elements, it is acquaintance with these that constitutes knowledge or understanding. For we conceive ourselves to know about a thing when we are acquainted with the ultimate causes and first principles and have got down to its elements. Obviously, then, in the study of nature too, our first object must be to establish principles. Now, the path of investigation must lie from what is more immediately cognizable and clear to us, to what is clear and more intimately cognizable in its own nature. For it is not the same thing to be directly accessible to our cognition and to be intrinsically intelligible. Hence, in advancing to that which is intrinsically more luminous and by its nature accessible to deeper knowledge, we must needs start from what is more immediately within our cognition, though in its own nature less fully accessible to understanding. Now the things most obvious and immediately cognizable by us are concrete and particular rather than abstract and general, whereas elements and principles are only accessible to us afterwards as derived from the concrete data when we have analyzed them. So we must advance from the concrete whole to the several constituents which it embraces, for it is the concrete whole that is the more readily cognizable by the senses. And by calling the concrete a whole, I mean that it embraces in a single complex a diversity of constituent elements, factors, and properties. The relation of names to definitions will throw some light on this point, for the name gives an analyzed indication for the thing. Circle, for instance, by the definition analyzes out some characteristic property or properties. A variant of the same thing may be noted in children, who begin by calling every man father, then every woman mother. They will learn to sever out the special relation to which the terms properly apply.